Good morning! It's Saturday. Ang pasok ay 8 AM. It's already 6:50. So I'll just fix the bed real quick. I'm already late sa aking 8 AM na schedule. Patapos naman na ako and I'll just do like a 5-minute ride from here papuntang work. But still, huwag naman tutularan. I hope na matapos ko na yung other backlogs ko na iwan ko pa ng 2024. Happy New Year, everyone! Hi, Uncle Bert. Ano masasabi mo sa aking tumbler?
Parang malit sa'yo. O malit ka?
Both. Pwede po. Cold. Nakagising. We're going to clock out na. It's already 3:02 and it's time to go home. Also, Baby Cakes is waiting for me outside. Breakfast for today is McDo hotcake.
Dadalawa yung hash brown up.
Mag-hi ka sa vlog.
Tatlo lang din yung
Pakita natin.
Tsaka sana in-specify nyo bakit
in-specify
Gama, mag-hi ka.
Sabi namin tayo.
Hi!
Audrey fixed my hair. She curled my hair. Isn't it nice?
Nag-blindfold na mo lahat? Lahat?
Pamasahe yan. Kunin ko yung mga prutas.
Good evening to all! So, I'm done taking a bath. I'm done eating dinner. And next up on my agenda for tonight is I'm gonna study. So, the subject that I'm gonna review for tonight is developmental psychology. I hope na maaga kong matapos mag-study tonight so I can sleep early then. Kasi yesterday, so guys, I have kwento. Yesterday, 8 p.m. pa lang, tulog na ako. And then I woke up kanina at around 5:45 a.m. So that's a very long, good sleep. So sana maaga ako matapos ngayon so I can sleep early ulit. Kahit siguro mga 9:30 or 10 p.m. that's okay na. That'll do. So go get your study materials and let's start. Okay, so I'm feeling so sleepy na. So I think that's it for my review session for tonight. Naka-ilang pages of the book naman ako. So I think that's a good progress pa rin. Kasi pag pinilit ko pa rin mag-study ngayon, wala na rin papasok sa utak ko. So much better kung itutulog ko na. Good night, everyone! Fit check! Morning fit check. Sure, naka-uniform ako. Pasok na kasi ako ng work.
Hi.
Say good morning to them.
Good morning to all. Puro puti ng buhok, kitang-kita mo.
Bye, pasok na ako ng work. Bye.
Ingat.
Thanks. Once upon a time. No. Para sa inyo.
Hindi, ba't may buo?
EBC cheesy fondue,
Kailangan pala
fries,
i-edit yan.
and the onion rings, nacho chips. Tsaka may chicken. Ay, no chicken.
Ano tong gitna?
Bread. Jabber, say goodnight.
Tulog na kami.
Baby. Good night, baby. Good night, Jover.